Hello students, you have finished your post-mid exams and I hope you have all done well. Okay, we are going to start our English language class, chapter number 11. The name of the chapter is Preposition. So what is preposition? Come, let us learn with a definition. Prepositions are words that tell us where someone or something. Just student, you emphasize on this someone and something is in relation to another person or thing. Here it means the position. You have to understand this particular word, positions. Prepositions means the position of something. Okay? Let me clear you with some examples. See, here you see I have drawn the branch of a tree, and here one nest is there. Some eggs also I can see, the eggs of birds. So the eggs are dash the nest. You see the picture, this is the nest. And where is the eggs? I told you no, the position. So the eggs are in the nest because it is, see, with the help of this picture you can understand the eggs, where the eggs are. It is in, I-N, in. The eggs are in the nest. Next, another. Here also one table I have drawn and one ball is there. So with the help of this figure you can understand where the ball is. It's very simple, it is on. So the ball is, in the fill-in I will write on the table. With more examples I will show you. This is a tree and one basket is there. For what? To collect some fruits or flowers like that, okay? So if I ask you, where is the basket? So with this help of this picture, I think it is very easy. You can say, where is it? Yes. Yes, it is correct. You are correct, very correct. It is under the tree. So the basket is under the tree. Next you see children, I have drawn a curtain. In your house it is there, no? In your window, in your door, there a curtain. In Bengali you say porda. Yes. So I can see a bucket is there. So if I ask you, where is the bucket? So the bucket is behind the curtain. This is the curtain with the help of the picture. It is behind. B-E-H-I-N-D, behind. So with all these examples, what we have come to know, the position of these things. All these are things. Okay. So in the beginning only I have said the prepositions. Very simple way to understand is the position of a thing or anybody, that is called preposition. So today children, till this much. In the next class I will continue with the same chapter. So you have to do a homework in your English language book, page number 64 and 65, A and B. You see there are some related picture with prepositions. So that you try to solve, and that is your homework. Okay? So till this much today. Stay at home and stay safe. Have a nice day. Thank you, children.